Hi everyone, I'm Sarita Pangnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before I start the new letter sound, let's revise previous one. Letter Z, letter Z. Letter W, letter W. Wa, wa, wa. Now it's time to start the third letter sound of fifth group, N, G. It is a consonant diagram because two letters make a single sound. Let's start with a short story. It was Saturday afternoon and Bing has come to play at Sunny's house. They both by starting playing a game of ping pong. Then they started by racing car. After a moment, they put on television. Bing said, "Look at that man, he's a weightlifter." Sunny said, yes, he's very strong man and he's making the sound like Bing and Sunny started laughing. Then they both started to pretend like a weightlifter and made the sound like Yes, the sound of diagram NG is You can feel that sound by touching your throat. And the action of NG is Let's see how to write NG on red and blue line. NG makes the sound of 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 Listen the words corresponding to the picture. What's this? King. King. What's this? Zigzag. Is it related to letter sound of NG? No. So we cross out the picture. What's this? Swing. Swing-ing. What's this? Hanger. Hang. Hang. Okay. Now let's blend the words. Sang. King. King. Long. 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 Okay. Let's sing a song. If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say So, that's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Keep learning.